Yes.
Perfect.
All right, but we gotta prep. I want some. Oh,
Thank you, Laura.
Do you know what happened?
life.
Life happened. It
Life
just
happens to me all the
keeps
time.
happening.
You too?
All the time, man. What does it look like when life happens for you?
Life happens. For me, that's when something breaks. Maybe the car breaks down. That happens.
Do you remember December for me? December.
Last year.
2 cars broke down. The furnace broke down twice. And I don't know if y'all remember.
I remember.
But this winter was cold. How do you prepare for the thing that you want to do, right? Like, it's not all about the things that happen to you unwillingly. It's the things that you want to do, like have a baby or get married or...
Yeah, you want to prepare for that life too.
Yeah.
The life that you want.
Right. So how do
Yeah.
you prep for that? There's no real way to perfectly prepare financially for a baby.
That's right.
It's all gonna happen the way it happens. And
Or emotionally.
Yeah, oh yeah, there's no way. There's some things that you can do.
Yeah.
Number one is just being aware of how much you're willing to pay and how much it's going to cost for childcare if you're gonna work, diapers, if you're gonna formula feed, that sort of thing. So just being prepped for the monthly reoccurring costs of having a baby, that's about the best you can do in that way.
That's right.
That's as close as you come to prepping for that. When you're talking about marriage and you're prepping for the future, it's okay to do things differently.
Yeah, for sure.
And so thinking through, like, can you afford to get married? That's a real question, right? Because there's a lot that goes into that. But secondly, have the money conversations early, because money is one of the things that can really tear a household apart. And so don't let the life happens be that you're just not talking enough about money or where it's going or how you're spending it.
Yeah.
It's really, really important that no matter how you do it, joint checking accounts, separate checking accounts, however you want to do it. It's there's no right or wrong, but the only wrong way to do it is to not talk about it.
And not talk about it.
Yeah, you have to talk about it. There's too much at risk not to talk about money.
That's right. What we recommend too is that you actually look at your financial situation every 6 months. Sometimes I don't get around to it until the year, like at tax time I usually do it. But when things happen and life happens and it sends me on a different path, I actually do have to, take a look at everything.
Right.
And have lots of great ways that you can actually save at the credit union.
Yeah.
Really innovative ways here at the credit union. We have a high yield savings.
Yeah, that's what we use just to kind of build that emergency fund every month. But if you're a long-term saver, we also have certificates of deposit. The rates are going
really
up. So now's a good time to look into that.
Our rates are great right now, and with CDs, and it's nice and secure. So you can see a return on your investment, which is great.
And then if something does come up, we always have, like she mentioned, a line of credit.
Yeah.
But also to keep in mind, if that furnace does go away and you don't have the savings to back it up, we have tools like the home improvement loan. You don't have to have home equity to get that loan and to get your house back to where it needs to be safe. Come talk to the credit union and see if we can help you with that loan if you don't have an emergency savings started. And if you are in the mindset that it's time to start saving, come to the credit union too, because we got lots of products for that too.
Yeah, so we can help you on the front end, to prepare for life, and then if life happens, come see us too. We're here to help.
Yeah, come to the credit union.
Oh, cheers.
Cheers.